I just want to say this. I've been walking this earth for a pretty good stretch of time. And boy, I've seen a lot, you know. And I'll reflect on life and try to boil it down to what's really going on. And I keep coming up with the same answer. Try as I might to deny it, I keep coming up with the same answer. This shit is war. Now, when I say war, I don't mean tanks and helicopters and punji sticks and AK-47s. I mean one person or a group of people trying to dominate another one through intent and action, right? Mm-hmm. So if me and Loris are hanging out and Loris says, hey, let's go to the strip club. And I said, well, I really don't do that, bro. No, come on, man. And he gets me to go. That was warfare, and he just won, right? He didn't have to have a tank. He used his subterfuge, and he browbeat me and used peer pressure and all the rest of it, and psychologically got me to do something I had no intention of doing, and probably got me to buy a couple of drinks in the mix as well. So all I'm saying is that every aspect of human behavior and interpersonal dynamics, it comes down to a conflict, a war. Might not be open war, might not be bullets flying, but someone is trying to take what you got or get you to do something you have no intention of doing. The best friendships are built upon mutual respect, in which that subject has already been broached, and now we're not even going to try to do that with each other. We're going to go do that to somebody else. So I'm trying to say this, that if you have something worth taking, it will be taken if you can't defend it. Please view all your business endeavors as warfare. Please view all your relationships, protecting the people you care about, as warfare. There's too many people out here trying to exploit and victimize you. Get in the game, because that's going to make this world a better place when righteous people take just an aggressive stance as the unrighteous people. I am done.